We all at some point in time suffer from hair issues. It could be poor hair growth, extensive hair loss, dandruff, and thinning of hair, many such problems. And first solution we find is application of hair oil, because that is how we have grown up. And आयुर्वेद की तो दिनचर्या का पार्ट है कि आप शिरोअभ्यंग और एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ऑयल टू स्कैल्प करें ही, बिकॉज इट इज हाउ यू इम्प्रूव योर स्कैल्प हेल्थ, नरिश हेयर फॉलिकल्स एंड इम्प्रूव योर हेयर ग्रोथ. So what is most essential to understand is what kind of hair oil should you use. There are so many. So let's decode hair oils. सबसे पहले understand your scalp. Is it, if it is dry, flaky, you have very brittle and thinning hair and थोड़ा टॉवल रगड़ते ही आपके बाल टूट जाते हैं, तो you have a Vata type scalp and Vata type hair, and you need oils which are warm, nourishing, a little thick, and which could impart shine to your hair. If you have inflammatory scalp, कि कुछ भी लगा दिया तो you have boils, you struggle with sticky dandruff, and there's always some sort of boil or heat in your scalp, then you have Pitta type scalp. और तीसरा है where your hair grows very slowly. You have good hair, it's curly, it's thick, but the hair growth is very poor, and you always feel कि 2 दिन में scalp oily हो गया है, then you have a Kapha type of scalp. And accordingly, we'll have hair oils. Number 1 is til oil, sesame oil. Sesame oil तो बादशाह है तेलों का. We love it in Ayurveda. It is warming, nourishing, prevents premature graying of your hair, strengthens roots, nourishes hair follicle, and improves hair growth, and suits Vata and Kapha type both if applied regularly. It has a lot of minerals, antioxidants. It has copper, which prevents premature graying, by the way, and it is suitable for application almost daily or maybe twice in a week. Number 2, coconut oil. Cooling but light. It has lauric acid, which penetrates your hair shaft, protects the protein loss, and improves shine and strength, and also prevents hair fall, especially if you have inflammatory scalp. ये बहुत ही suitable है. You can apply it daily. Narikel tel is castor. It is good if you take it also and apply it also. Same with til tel. You can orally take it and apply, but we are talking about application. Almond oil. Slightly warming, nourishing, promotes hair growth, imparts shine and strength to your hair because it has magnesium, zinc, omega-9 fatty acids, and it is really good to improve the cuticle and protein in your hair. For shine and smoothness, castor oil, very thick, warming, and it does promote hair growth, but it is best that you add it with some carrier oil. आप उसको नारियल तेल में मिला के लगाएं 80-20 ratio or 60-40 ratio, but do not directly apply castor oil. It is good for eyebrows, but not for your scalp. It's very sticky, very difficult to wash it off. But it is a good oil for hair growth. That's it. There is one more oil which many people don't know, that is mahua oil for hair growth, for hair thinning, for dandruff. If you can find it, please use it once or twice in a week. How to oil your scalp? Follow this. Apply in the daytime, keep it for 30 to 45 minutes, massage for 5 to 10 minutes, and wash it off with your favorite shampoo. Do not keep it overnight, as it can cause cold or cough and may actually build up dandruff. Ayurveda does not anywhere mention it कि आपको रात भर लगाना है. Oiling your scalp is really good for improving your hair health, improving shine, improving sleep, improving mood, and also improving your memory and eyesight. If you have liked what I have shared, hit the like button, share it with somebody who loves oiling their scalp, and follow for more.